àní là ń gbé lárugẹ. Àlọ́hun àní là ń gbé lárugẹ. Ẹ bá wa gbé Yorùbá lárugẹ. Ohun àní là ń gbé lárugẹ. Ẹ bá wa gbé Yorùbá lárugẹ. Ohun àní là ń gbé lárugẹ. Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Funmi Kuti is my name. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ o. Níbikíbi tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ wa, tí ẹ ti ń wò wá. Funmi Kuti lórúkọ mi. Ní èní, a ó máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa iṣẹ́ tí àwọn èèyàn yàn láàyò. Today, we are going to be talking about professions in Yoruba language. Let's teach our children how to say those professions, how to say them in Yoruba language. Before we continue, we'd like to thank you for your support. Please help us to share our channel, help us to like, help us to comment. And we hope that our children will keep enjoying our channel. So let's go. The first one is farmer. Farmer, we call them agbe. Driver, awako. Engineer, onímọ̀ ẹ̀rọ. Cameraman, ayàwòrán. Drummer, onílù. Medical doctor, oníṣègùn òyìnbó. Midwifery or midwife, agbẹ̀bí. Dentist, oníṣègùn eyín. Businessman or businesswoman, oníṣòwò. A lè pè wọ́n ní oníṣòwò obìnrin àbí oníṣòwò ọkùnrin. Fashion designer, fashion designer, we can call them ayàwòrán aṣọ tàbí aránṣọ. Àwọn míì á máa yà, wọ́n á sì tún máa rán. Teacher, olùkọ́. Palm wine tapper, akọ̀pẹ. Hairdresser, onídìrí. Music director or music conductor, olùdarí orin. Musician or singer, akọrin. Hunter, ọdẹ. Goldsmith, alágbẹ̀dẹ wúrà. We have other smiths too, or the alágbẹ̀dẹ, those ones that make the holes for farming, but for the goldsmiths, alágbẹ̀dẹ wúrà. Chef or cook, alásè. There are so many professions that are outside. We will want to hear from you. Please, we want you to comment below the section. We want the discussion to continue. Let's continue to teach our children our language. It may not be Yoruba alone you speak. You may be speaking other language. Any language you speak, let's teach our children, because whatever we have, we have to cherish it, and we have to be proud of it. That is why in Yoruba we say, "Ohun àní là ń gbé lárugẹ." So, this is where we are going to end today's episode. We hope you have enjoyed it. We want our children to continue to learn Yoruba language. Let them watch it, let them learn from it, and help us to teach them at home. Thank you very much and hope to see you next week. Ní èní, a ti kọ́ nípa àwọn òwò tí àwọn èèyàn ń ṣe ní èdè Yorùbá. A lérò pé àwọn ọmọ wa ti kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ kan tàbí méjì. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ̀yin òbí wa nílé, ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n máa kọ́ sí, kí wọ́n máa mọ̀ ní èdè wa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́ wọn ní èdè Yorùbá nítorí pé ohun a ní là ń gbé lárugẹ. Títí di ọ̀sẹ̀ tó ń bọ̀, ó dìgbà kan náà. Ire o. Ohun a ní là ń gbé lárugẹ.